on today's video, we're gonna be pranking Ethan, telling him that the chainsaw man is like outside. I know he's scared of chainsaw man and whatnot, so yeah, let's get into it. Okay, Ethan. Daddy just called me and said that the chainsaw man was outside and he needed us to come help him. So you finna go outside here, Dad? Why you not gonna help? You gonna let him die?
What?
You gonna let him die?
You help me.
Come on.
Why?
Cause we gotta go. We gotta go see the chainsaw man out there. Come on. You ready? Go.
Ah! No, that's not funny.
It's a prank, bruh. It's a prank.
That is not being funny.
So we got his reaction. Like, comment, and subscribe.